Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, I would like to welcome you back, guys. Let us approach this one. And this is figure 3, where are the question of this previous question paper. Remember, this is the previous question paper, which was written on the 13th July 2022. So under the topic of first angle orthographic projection, which is question 3, it was paying how much? 25 marks. So we are going to read these drawings. That's how you read them. These ones you don't read like this. They are not like this. You understand? They are not like this, but they are like this. Who's telling you that is the projection symbol? So just scroll down. In one of my videos, there is where I'm teaching how to analyze drawings. You understand? So we are going to analyze them using what? A projection symbol. So this is the first angle orthographic projection symbol, isn't it? So which means this is supposed to be your front, this is supposed to be your left. So by given this YY and XX, we can be able to what? To interpret the question. You understand? If these cutting planes are situated like this, are being positioned like this, we can be able to interpret the question. But then go back and read the question. So figure 3 on the next page shows an outside front view and an outside left view of the what? Of the pin gauge in first angle orthographic projection. 3.1, draw to a scale 1:1 the following views in first angle orthographic projection. So it is very much important to read the question, because you might find that the figures are given or the drawings are given in what? In first angle orthographic projection, but when you read the question, it will be like draw them in what? In third angle orthographic projection. So do not assume. You understand? So go back to read the question. So 3.1.1, you must draw, according to first angle orthographic projection, a full sectional front view on the cutting plane XX, a full sectional left view on the cutting plane YY. You understand? So this is what is important here, where they are saying insert the following title and scale beneath the layout. That one, those marks are actually for free. That's what I always used to tell my student, that under sectional there will be always sectional drawing, there will be always about 3 marks that they will be just chasing you. You understand? So let's start. This is what you can start with. The left, you can start with the front, or you can start with both of them. It's still on the same thing. You understand? So let's start. How? Like this. So I see a diameter of 60. Diameter 60. 60 divided by 2. It's 30, isn't it? Open your drawing canvas to 30 millimeter. This is it, and come somewhere here. This is it. Then from there I can horizontal feign, horizontal dark center line, and the vertical one. Vertical one. So this vertical center line is which one? Vertical is this one. This horizontal one is which one? Is this one. Then from there, let's go. What is happening? We are going to have a dimension, or let's draw this 36 divided by 2. How much is it? 18. 36 divided by 2 is 19. So open your drawing canvas to 19 millimeter. This is it. This one, without fear or favor, you can draw it dark. Okay. After that, we've drew this. Now let's get this dimension from here till here. From here till here is 80 millimeter from the center, isn't it? 80. Where you got your 80, draw a horizontal fence line. After that one, we see a dimension of 180 millimeter from the center, isn't it? 108, not an 8, 108. So this is 110, this is 109, this is 108 millimeter. You understand? Then from there, get it like this. And then let me see. So 108 millimeter is the height from the bottom part of our front view till the center, going up till the center, isn't it? So now project them down like this. This one already, without fear or favor, we know what is solid. This one, which is which one? This one, from here till there, isn't it? Then this one, at the moment, do not draw it solid yet. You understand? Then from here coming this side, we've got 10 millimeters. There's your 10 millimeter. Then after 10 millimeter, there is another dimension of what? Of 40 millimeter. And then 10 again, 40 millimeter, which is this one. And the 10, it came out for itself. So from here going up is how much? From here going up is 28 millimeter. And go back. So 28 millimeter, which is this one that we just got. And then from here till here is 28 millimeter. So where 28 millimeter to go back is 14 millimeter to get this one, isn't it? It's 14 from there till the 14 millimeter. Simple. There is your 15, 14 is here. Then now you can have this solid like this, solid like this, solid like this. Okay, now from here till there is 50 millimeter and 20 millimeter. $50 millimeter is giving us the center, and 20. I want from here till here 50 millimeter, which is this one. Then from where 50 ends begins 20, and this 50 is giving us what? The center. A1. Like this we go. Then now we can have this one solid from here till here. Then from here going up is 20 millimeter from this point, which is this one, 20 millimeter. This is it. then to go horizontally, it's 40, and this 20. I'm lying, it's not there, but it's here, because from here till here is that 20. So you have to erase this one. Now these are hidden details. Let us go and trace this cutting plane, whether to trace the cutting plane, whether these hidden details, are they going to change to be dark or they will disappear, because we only expose what is being pointed by the arrow. You understand? What we draw, what is being pointed by the arrow, whatever that is beyond the cutting plane, we consider it as an offcut. You understand? So now let's see, what is this in here? What is this in here? Indeed, when we are tracing the cutting plane of XX, this is going to be cutted, which means here is going to be changed to be solid. You understand? This one will change to solid. So I'm just solving the question. I'm not explaining into details. Scroll down in one of my videos where I'm explaining how to trace cutting planes. You see? So we've got 10 millimeter from here till here is 10 millimeter. So 10 millimeter. So this one, it will be solid till here. Solid till here. This one with just touching the circumference of the cycle. So from here till there, dark again, and from here till here, dark again. So now, which means this one will disappear from here till here. We can go back and draw this one dark then. So that's how you are going to leave your front view. So somebody might ask, why is this one disappearing? Why? Because of this line in your left view actually symbolizes this point, because this one is at the back. Is at the back of this. This is the front view, which means when you are taking a look at your left view on this direction, you're going to see something of this nature. This one. You understand? So if now we are cutting, so this one will disappear, and the law, it says whatever that is beyond your cutting plane, it will go with an offcut. So what is this? What is this in here? Is this one. So that is why we want this line, it will disappear. This hole, it will also go, or with a with an offcut, it will disappear. So your your front view is going to be left like this. Now from here till here, you measure 20 millimeter. That we separate our views with 20 millimeter. Remember? So which means from here going this side, you can start to draw your your left view. So construct this one, this direction, this one goes, faint isn't goes. Okay. Now we know what from here from this point, which is this one, 70 millimeter. $35. The half of 70 is 35, which is the vertical center line. Draw it. Where 70 ends, construct a faint line. Okay. Now, when we trace the YY cutting plane, this from here till here it will cut. What is this point here? Is this one, which means it will become dark. Then from here till here it's a hole, which is this one. What is this in here? This is actually that support. So the law, it says whatever that is beyond your cutting plane, you consider it as an offcut, which means the whole of this, it will disappear. The whole of this, you won't even draw it, because it will go with with an offcut, isn't it? This one, when you are tracing the cutting plane of YY, you won't even draw this. You understand? So this one, it will change to dark. Draw it. So now when you are drawing the left view, you must be quicker than the time you are drawing the first view, which was your front view, because some of the dimension you are not going to do them. This one, we need it, yeah. So we're supposed to remain as a constructional line, actually faint, so that you take this as a constructional line, faint line, constructional line. You understand? So that now we can have this one solid like this. Like this we go. And then we are being told what is going in with what? With 8 millimeter from here, 8 millimeter from there, 8 millimeter. Do it. 10, 9, 8. So it's gonna go from there till down at the last part, at the last bottom point of yours, which is this one. You understand? So this one, just construct it faint for now. So which means if you are here, you can now measure the longest bottom part, which is 114 from here. 114 millimeter. Simple, eh? 120, 115 is here. One. Constructional line. 28, which is this one, from here till there. Remember, is the one that you started with. From here till there is which is this 28. From here till here, which means it's this one. Understand? Dark till here, and dark from here till here, and then you can close like this. Then if we are tracing the cutting plane, so it will let us trace it together. Then from here till here it will cut. From here till here it's a hole. From here till there it will cut. So this hole, it was cutted, so you have to expose it there. You understand? And then from here till here it won't cut anything, which means this line this point line, it will be exposed now, because now is what is hidden, isn't it? Now it's going to change to solid or dark. This one, it will be like this. Then this hole, it will be exposed from here till here, 30 millimeter, and this 30 millimeter is giving us what is giving us the center. It's giving you the center. So the set is diameter 20, isn't it? Diameter 20. And it's exposed. Solid like this. It's starting from here till here, isn't it? From here till here, not till there. So that's how it's going to be. So what is going to go with an offcut on your left view is this one. You understand? So now you can section. So your hatches of these two views, they must be equally spaced and they must be at the same angle. Why? Because of it is one thing, it is one object. It's not two object like the way we used to section what different items in assembled drawing. So they must be in the same direction. Front view and the left view, they must be in the same direction and equally spaced. I decide to start here. Like this we go. Like this we go. You see, to equalize them, I'm using the upper part of my numbers so that they will be equal. So we are not going to have hatches here because it's a supporter and it was cutted along its height. Understand? Like this we go. You see that they are equal. I'm using this upper part of my numbers to equalize my what? My hatches. You see, check on your left view. It's now starting. You understand? Same direction, equally spaced. That's how you do it. Stop there. From there goes. From here goes there. That is the last one from your front view. Then from there, check here, it's a hole. So you jump. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. Like this you go. This you go. This you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. So that's how you are expected to have your front view according to the cutting plane of XX, and the left view according to the cutting plane of YY. You understand? So this is it. This is it. Any question, let me down there on the comment, so you can take your 6 marks, 6 marks. If they're saying insert so these 2 marks and draw the symbol of the first angle orthographic projection beneath the layout and the scale, which means it's this one. You understand?